The larger piles we had discussed removing right here. Basically up to where the tree line is. This pile right here. And then that tree that's in there. There's some of the progress. Got a few piles going. So we get like half of this load in there, we'll be in good shape. There's the last of the piles. Got the case 1840 out here. Scratched everything out. Couple good trailer loads and everything's flattened out, ready to rock. All right, so there's the case 1840, the before and after. Job's all cleared out.